Good morning and welcome to the Australian Stock Reports online morning update for the 23rd of May 2012. After a solid start to the overnight session, US markets fell into a heap towards the close of trading as concerns of a Greek exit from the Eurozone intensified. According to a news report, former Greek Prime Minister Papademos warned of a real possibility his country would leave the Euro and that preparations for an exit were being considered. The news rattled investors and overshadowed an earlier report that showed US existing home sales rising for the first time in 3 months. The Dow gave up a gain of more than 70 points to finish flat, whilst the Nasdaq ended in negative territory. The mood was a lot brighter in Europe, however, where the major indices rose more than 1.5% each. However, those markets closed prior to the late sell-off on the street. The early week rally in commodities appears to have fizzled out, with oil slumping 1% after Iran agreed to let IAEA inspectors investigate its nuclear program. Base metals were mostly lower, tracking a decline of more than 1% in gold. The euro slipped ahead of tonight's crucial EU summit, where leaders are expected to discuss Greece's potential exit from the Eurozone and the likely implications for the region's banking sector. Our dollar dropped to its lowest level against the greenback in 6 months, whilst the yen took a hit from ratings agency Fitch, which downgraded Japan's credit rating. It was a wild ride on the SPY overnight, with the price action fluctuating in a fairly broad 40-point range. The index is trading closer towards 4100 this morning, a region that provided some support in yesterday's session. The Aussie market is set for a negative start today. SPY futures are indicating a loss of around 15 points for the physical market a bit later this morning.